Welcome, I am Daniel Terhune from Real Estate Advantage. Always remember, have a plan, go with Dan. Well-kept 3-bedroom home with touches of historic charm, and a bonus lot. This home is modern where it needs to be, but has some stunning hardwood floors and woodwork throughout. The downstairs has a living room with a gas fireplace and built-in curio cabinets, a dining room with gorgeous natural lighting, a full bath, and a mud room that has some built-in storage. The kitchen has clean and simple cabinetry, solid surface counters, and an island. Upstairs, there is another full bath and a laundry room that could also serve as storage, and the 3 bedrooms are decently sized. There is stair access to the attic, which offers even more storage space. There is also a full basement. Outside is a cover.